Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Naglaro tayo ng Toka-Boka. Okay. Ito na guys. Hi! I'm so early to bed. Let's check. Okay guys. Ito na siya. Okay, let's check in the room. On the light. Mami, basta ito early. Pinacheck ko lang O sige, sleeping ka lang dyan. O sige, mami, off na lang light ko. O sige. Samantalang, magagalit na naman sila. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hi. Good morning. Let's go and there's a lot of party at night. We did need some party. It's in here. Hi. Okay guys, ito na ako. And plate always. Wait, there's a cook in here. Let's make it. This is gonna. How's my brush? I just put in here too. In this bathroom. Good, and let me this, and I will be cook some dish today. Hi, what's in the ref? Oh no, I have no. I need to go in the market again to buy some. What should I buy? Okay, let's find it. Let's get some good. Just this. Hi. What dito? Dito ka nga sa dyan ka lang. Sarap nito kumain. Ano lang to. Hi.
Hi, narapay na rin.
Ito ng balita ng breaking news. Ito. Check outside. Oh, there's a such a good day. Let's go inside. Then her dog is done. Then was supposed to just cheering on me. Let's cook the food. Yummy. Already did I hold? This is perfect. I don't have a lot of space that in here. This is the last one, but I'll just buy next time. There's been a chicken too. There you go. Just put in here to wash. Hi, wait, yung tubig nila, I forgot. Mag-sharing na lang para sila, hindi naman sila kasi ni Bella.
6, 7. Ano lang siya, no? Ano siya?
Na. Mia, wake up, Mia. Yeah, Mom. Mom. Okay, Mom. Hindi yung tagalin yung kuhan mo, tapos pagkatulog mo. Kasi gusto ko, ay wag mo ng elevator, watan lang mo ako dyan. Lila, wake up. Mom, it's too early. Just wake up until lunch and I'll be wash. Okay, Mom. Today why is Mom so strict today? May I don't know. Bella? Yes, Mom? Wake up. Okay, Mom. It's gonna
Ikaw na yung dress, ha?
breakfast today. Sure, Mom.
Wala man.
Mom, why that is not coming? I don't know.
Wala!
Just stop talking. Okay, Mom. Ito, guys. Kumain ka na. Sarap ba ba? Oo, Mami. Bella, oh, ready ka na ba? Oo, Mami. Kasi, Mom? Opo. Oo, lagi siya. Ito na po, tambal mo. Ah, tubig mo ako. Bumili na ako ng medicine gamot mamaya. Sige, wag ko na ito. Hugasin. Okay, maliligo ka na, Bella. Yes, Mom. Dito ako. Ay. Ay. Mom, ba't ang init yung tubig natin? Gusto na akong init water. O, sige. Hey, can I just sit a little bit? Mom, I'm gonna wait. Oh, okay. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna be ready. Here. Thanks, Mom.
Dali siya. Naka, green ang color ako. Dali siya na.
Oh. Why is that open? That's a meal.
Ano? Hindi ko na ibang kita. Ano? Back 35. Ano?
Apa? Sino yun? Sino? Sino po? Anong gusto niya? Ano? Please forgive me. No. No. You just break up with me. You're cheating with your girlfriend. Who's this guy?
300 7. Ay, 700 man. 7.
He broke up with me. It's so pretty. She's pretty than you. Heh, whatever. Go. Go away. Mom, ba't ka naggalit? Wala. Kunin ka lang dyan sa nyo. So cold naman. Buwan mong bumili ng toothbrush. Mamaya ko kunin yung ano ko.
Wala lang ito. Sabado pa. Sabado mo. Sabado ko lang ng trabaho. Kabuti ko sa opisina.
Mami. Mami, ano naman yun? Nasaan yung baon ko? Ang tubigan mo to. Hindi ka dito dyan, ha? Okay? Listen to your, what you did they say, okay? Yes, mommy, you're the best mom in the world. Thank you. Secret locker. Ayan, ayan. Just hide in here. Hey, hey. Ito naman ako.
Putipot sa manok.
Nasaan yung oil? Nasaan tong dito sa nanay sa lalaki po na naka-pink at white. Ay, doon po. Doon. Yan, binili niya. Sige, tingga po.
Ay, karang eskwela na tinulis lang.
Ito, baton lang to eh.
Tapos ganaan ko dani. Umumukas tanan.
Ayo! Thank you.
Ito nalata. Gamay.
Ay, kana, gid na. Yung mo, gid na siya nga tela.
Ako gani.
Kung gamit ako lang.
Miss. Ano po? Kung ka dyan kasi anong gabi to?
Okay kayo niyo.
Pagpaducha, kina. Sumulod ka na. Sige, thank you po. Oh,
Pero
cute na to.
tanday na lang
Okay,
siya.
ito. Akin to. Diyan sa kasan ko.
Ako to na yung pakatag
I miss my family. I just gonna go home next time.
buong diyaw.
Next day.
Stop toy.
Pwede na i-post mo.
Alam mo, stop toy. Ay, apelirilo.
Dito na ako. Dito na guys. Bye na guys. Thank you for vlogging. Bye.